We are doing question on bit error rate and optimum threshold. So it says that bits 1 and 0 are transmitted with equal probability. So what we can say is that probability of 0 is equal to probability of 1 is equal to 0.5, because the question says that bits 0 and 1 are transmitted with equal probability. Then it says that at the receiver the PDFs of the respective received signals for both bits are shown below. So this is the PDF for received signal. So this is the PDF for received signal for bit 0, and this is the PDF of received signal for bit 1. So these two are the PDFs. So let me draw them as separately. So this is for f of y by 0 for y, and this is for receiving 1. So f of y, okay, so this is for receiving 1, this is 0, this is 0.5, this value is 0.5, and this value is 1, this value is minus 1, 1. Okay, so I have separated both the PDFs, so it will be easier for us. Now it says that if the detection threshold is 1, if the threshold is 1, so if y is greater than 1, then it will be interpreted as logic 1. If y is greater than 1, then it will be interpreted as logic 1 is received, and if y is less than 1, then it will be interpreted that logic 0 is received. Okay, so the threshold is 1. So there are two parts to this question. In the part 1, it is given that the detection threshold is 1. So the detection threshold is given to us, we have to find the bit error rate. And in the second part, we have to find the optimum threshold. So in the first part, the threshold was given to us, we had to find the bit error rate. In the second part, we have to find the optimum threshold to achieve minimum bit error rate, because obviously we want minimum error, and error will obviously occur when we have transmitted 0 but received 1, and we have transmitted 1 but received 0. Okay, so this is for 0, this is for 0. So this is for 0, and the threshold for 1 is y is greater than 1, but in this figure you can see there is nothing, there is no value for there is no value of y for greater than 1, because for greater than 1 y is 0, for greater than 1 y is 0. So we can see that probability of 1 upon 0 is equal to 0. Probability of 1 upon 0 is equal to 0, because for values greater than 1 y is equal to 0, and as per threshold the logic 1 for logic 1 y has to be greater than 1. Okay, because in this question we are given the threshold is 1. Okay, so for probability of 1 by 0 is 0. Then now in this question for this is for 1 and we have to find, so obviously the error will be when we have transmitted 1 and received 0. So uh, for 1, so this is obviously 2, and 1 will lie somewhere in between, so this is 1. And for 2 the value is 0.5, so obviously for 1 the value will be 0.25. So probability of 1 upon 0 is equal to 1 by 2 the area of this triangle. Okay, you can see this is a right angled triangle, so 1 by 2 into 1 into 0.25, we can write it as 1 by 4. So 1 upon 2 into 1 into 1 upon 4, so this will be equal to 1 upon 8. this will be equal to 1 upon 8. So this is probability of 1 by 0. Sorry, this is probability of 0 by 1, because already it denotes that 1, this is PDF for 1. So this is for 0 by 1. 0 by 1, because for logic 0, y has to be less than 1. So we have drawn this for less than 1 only, because on the left side of 1. Okay, so this is for 0 by 1. So we can now calculate the average probability of error. So probability of error average value is equal to probability of 0 into probability of 1 by 0 plus probability of 1 into probability of 0 by 1. Okay, probability of 1 upon 0 is 0, because as we already see there is no value of y greater than 1, so this term will disappear, this will be totally 0. Then probability of 1 is 0.5, probability of 0 and 1 both are 0.5, so this value will be equal to 1 upon 2, and this value we have already found out to be 8. So this average probability of error or the bit error rate will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 16. So the correct option is option 4, 1 upon 16. Okay, so in this way we can find the minimum, we can find the bit error rate or the probability or the average probability of error for detection threshold 1. Okay, so this question is now solved. Part 1 is now solved. Now in part 2 we have to find the optimum threshold to achieve minimum bit error rate. Now the optimum threshold to achieve minimum bit error rate, so we have to find the value of threshold. So these two curves are intersecting between 0 and 1. See, the common area is between 0 and 1. So the threshold will lie between 0 and 1. The threshold will lie between 0 and 1 because the common area for both these curves is between 0 and 1. So the threshold will lie between 0 and 1. So in this also the threshold will lie between 0 and 1. So let the threshold be lambda. Let the threshold be lambda. So now we can say that if y is greater than lambda, then logic 1 is received, and if y is less than lambda, then logic 0 will be received. So we already know that lambda value will be between 0 and 1, because the intersecting area is between 0 and 1. So 0 is less than lambda is less than 1. We are assuming that the value of threshold is denoted by lambda. So in this lambda will lie between somewhere between here. So the probability of 1 upon 0 will be this region. Okay, so this value will be equal to 1 minus lambda. This point will be equal to 1 minus lambda, because slope is minus, the slope is minus 1. So this will be equal to 1 minus lambda. So probability of 1 upon 0 is equal to 1 minus lambda square upon 2. 1 minus this area is equal to 1 minus lambda square upon 2. What we have found out is the value of this area when 1 upon 0. Now similarly we can find lambda will lie between somewhere between 0 and 1. So this is value of lambda. So obviously the slope is lambda by 4. So this value will be lambda upon 4. Okay, and this is the region for 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 will be equal to this length is lambda, this length is lambda by 4. So 1 by 2 into lambda by 4. So this is equal to lambda square upon 8. Lambda square upon 8. So now we have found out the probability of 0 by 1 also and probability of 1 by 0 also. So let me remove this. So probability of error will be equal to probability of 0 1 by 2 into probability of 1 by 0. So 1 minus lambda square by 2 plus, let me remove this also. Plus probability of 1 into probability of 0 by 1. So probability of 1 is again 1 by 2 into 0 upon 1 is lambda square upon 8. Okay, so this is will be equal to, this is actually 1 minus lambda whole square. 1 minus lambda whole square upon 4 plus lambda square upon 16. This is the probability of error. So the minimum for finding the minimum probability of error, we have to differentiate this probability of error with respect to lambda. So dPe by with respect to d lambda. So this will be equal to minus 1 into 1 minus lambda upon 2 plus lambda upon 8. Okay, so this is dPe by d lambda. So if you equate it to 0, then you will find the value of lambda. So if you equate it to 0, this is how we find maxima or minima. We equate the values to 0. So dPe by d lambda equal to 0. So if you equate to 0, you will get lambda equal to 4 upon 5. So our answer is option B, 4 upon 5. And if you again differentiate it, d square p by d lambda square, then we will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. So obviously it is greater than 0. So obviously it means that this is giving the minimum value. Okay, and if you put lambda equal to 4 upon 5 here, if you put lambda equal to 4 upon 5, we have already got our answer. We have already found out the optimum threshold for minimum bit error rate. But if we have to find the minimum bit error rate, then we can put the value of lambda in this equation. We can put the value of lambda in this equation. So if we put the value of lambda equal to 4 upon 5 here, then you get the minimum bit error rate equal to 1 upon 20. So in this question also, if there was a third part that find the minimum bit error rate for this optimum threshold, then that value is equal to 1 upon 20. Okay, so I hope this video was clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck.